Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Wise password if you forgot it. So in order to do this, you can either use the Wise application or the Wise homepage. So the first thing that we are going to do is simply open any browser on our mobile phone. After opening any browser, simply type in Wise and it will take you to wise.com. So navigate to wise.com's homepage. Here you're going to simply click on your email address. Now enter your email address and in the password section, you can enter the password if you remember or just click on trouble logging in. So the simple method is navigating to Wise homepage and clicking on trouble logging in. Now choose I've forgotten my password on this page. After this, you'll have to scroll down and click on reset password. As you can see, if you're logged out and can't remember your password, they can send you an email with a link to reset it. Simply click on reset password and enter your email address in this field. Now click on send password reset link. Now as you can see, it just sent an email to this address. So what you'll have to do is navigate to Gmail. After opening your email with which you have created a Wise account, what you'll have to do is simply click on the Wise email and you will see get a new password button in this email. Simply click on this button and it will instantly take you to this page where you can see they just sent an approval request to your registered devices. To reset your password, you'll have to open the Wise app on one of your registered devices and approve the request. As you can see, I have this request. I'll have to just click on yes, it's me. Now, as you can see on this page, I can easily set my password. I'll have to just enter a new password and click on confirm. When I do this, I would have successfully changed my Wise password easily. So that is how you reset Wise password if you forgot it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.